Okay.
Okay.
Here's Jakey waking up.
Guess what? For Christmas, Grandma and Grandpa got you a train set.
Grandma, Grandpa got you train set.
Awesome. You wanna go play?
You share.
Go play with Dane. Walking a little slow there, buddy. You get a little twist in your step.
I'm sure a fight's gonna start right about now.
Dane.
You share.
Share.
Dane.
Nice. Nice hug.
That's good. Share.
There's too many trains.
Show Jake how to play on the other side. Just
Jake,
play
come
on
here.
the other side.
Let me show you. Not the car. Here, use this one.
Show him the bridge.
Here, use this one. Use this.
Show him how the bridge lights up.
Use that. Like this. Run through and go. Push it. Awesome. And push it through. Keep going. Keep going. Listen, listen. Awesome. Keep going.
What do you think, Jakey?
Awesome. Push it through.
He's just after what Dane has.
Look. Listen to this.
Wow.
Oh, he's already done this one. Oh, oops, sorry, Dane. Listen to this. Jake, listen. Listen.
He'll figure it out. Jakey, Grandma and Grandpa bought this for you. Good share,
Good
Jake.
share, Jake. Good job, buddy.
Dane, he shared with you.
Share, so say thank you.
Hey, Jakey. Jake, Grandma and Grandpa bought this. Can you tell them thank you?
Jakey, can you say thank you?
Dane said thank you, yes.
Jake, can you say thank you?
Jake, say thank you. Blow kisses. Blow kisses, Dane. I missed it. Say thank you, Grandma, Grandpa.
Jake.
Jake.
Still waking up.
Jake, can you say thank you?
Jake, can you say thank you?
All right, well, he does thank you.
So
They love it, and so do we. They'll be in here all afternoon.